Hi guys, welcome to a Guru channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about a transducer. Before going to the video, so please watch the content of other videos. If you like the content, do subscribe the channel. So before discussing about a transducer, so let's see about an instrument. So here these are the some of the instrument used to measure some of the physical variables. So this one is a thermometer which measures the variations in temperature, and this one is a pressure gauge which measures the variations in the pressure, and this is a flow meter which measures the flow rate of a liquid or a water in a pipeline, and this is a voltmeter which measures the voltage, and this one is a tachometer which measures the speed of a rotating machine. So if you see all of these instruments, the input quantities are not same as the output quantities. In case of a thermometer, the input quantity is a temperature, but the output quantity is a level of mercury column. So in a thermometer, the variations in the temperatures is converted into a variations in the mercury column level. Same in case of a Bourdon pressure gauge. The variations in the pressure is converted into a displacement of a pointer. So likewise, every instrument and input is not same as the output. So these instruments will play an important role in our day-to-day life. Not only in our day-to-day life, in a production plant also, the measurement of temperature, pressure and flow rate plays an important role. So if you see in detail about an instrument, so these are the functional blocks in a measurement system or functional blocks of a instrument. So this consists of a primary sensing element followed by data conditioning and data transmission and data presentation element. If you want a detailed explanation of these functional blocks, click on the I button shown above. So here the quantity under measurement is called as the measurand. Nothing but in case of a thermometer, the temperature is a measurand. In case of a voltmeter, voltage is a measurand. So likewise, there are a variety of measurand. That might be a voltage, or it might be a current, it might be a power, it might be a magnetic flux density, it might be a displacement, velocity. So likewise, there are variety of measurands out there. So in case of data acquisition system or in a closed loop operation, the quality of the output is depends upon the quality of the input. So the input device plays an important role. So for any instrument, the input device is the primary sensing element which consists of a, so this primary sensing element which consists of a transducer, and there might be an existence of preamplifier. So likewise, the quality of the input depends upon quality of the output depends upon the quality of the input. So the input device primary sensing element plays an important role in an instrument. If you see in detail, so here in case of a thermometer, the variations in the temperature is converted into variations in the level of a mercury column. Similarly, in case of a Bourdon pressure gauge, so the input is the pressure. The pressure is converted into a displacement by using the Bourdon tube. So here the Bourdon tube is a primary sensing element. It is a nothing but a mechanical transducer. So this mechanical transducer converts the pressure into a displacement. So then that displacement will shown by the pointer depending upon the variations in the pressure. So likewise, in an instrument, the primary sensing element plays an important role by converting one form of signal into another form of signal. So then the transducer is defined as it is a device which converts an energy signal or information from one form to another form. A transducer is a device which converts a signal, an energy signal or information from one form to another form. It might be from pressure to displacement, from temperature to variations in the temperature to variations in the liquid column level, and flow rate to another displacement. So likewise, a transducer is a device which converts an energy signal or an information from one form to another form. So this transducer may be a mechanical transducer that we discussed about a Bourdon tube. Bourdon tube is a mechanical transducer which converts the pressure into a displacement. Input is a mechanical quantity, output is also a mechanical quantity. And cantilever is also a mechanical transducer which converts a force into a displacement. So this transducer may be a electrical, and op amp is an example for an electrical transducer which converts the voltage into a current. A resistance is also an electrical transducer which converts the displacement into a voltage. So likewise, so these transducers may be a mechanical or electrical, magnetic. It might be an optical transducers, chemical transducers, a thermal transducer. It might be a nuclear transducer, or it is a combination of the transducer. So also we can see all of these transducers in coming videos. In the next videos, so we will be concentrating on electrical transducers. Also because these electrical transducers have most advantages compared to another transducer. In case of a mechanical transducers, so these are simple in construction, rugged in nature. So but the poor frequency response is a big disadvantage for mechanical transducers. So in the coming videos, we will be discussing about electrical and mechanical transducers in detail.